What is object orientation and does it apply to your business? Let's jump right into the question. Does it apply to your business? The answer is yes, absolutely. Object orientation applies to every business. If you work with computer systems or applications, it applies. If you work in a factory environment with machines, it applies. If you work with people, it applies. So, what is it? Object orientation is a design and expression philosophy that enables you to depict solutions in such a manner that it consists of components that have certain characteristics. The idea is to reap benefits from this plug-in, plug-out capability of objects. Each component must be able to contain the change effect within itself. In other words, there's a limitation on the ripple effect of change. If the change in a business can be contained within components, it enables more accurate and faster change. There are many other benefits as well, but we'll have a look at these and the characteristics of objects in another video. The best way to clarify this definition is to use the example of a computer and its components. A couple of years ago, I bought my first computer. It was a top-of-the-range desktop PC, box screen, dot matrix printer. Heck, this computer had a floppy and a stiffy drive. I was chuffed. And what is the first thing you do when you get a new PC? You buy a game. So I went out, bought my favorite first-person shooter game, got home, opened the box, and all I got was this coaster to put a cup on. I went to the store and complained. They said it's a CD. I took the computer back to the store, said I needed a new computer, and they said, no, you only need a CD drive. So they plugged out the floppy drive, plugged in the CD drive, and done. I was able to keep my keyboard, screen, and printer. They only had to replace one item at minimal cost. And that is what object orientation is all about. Having plug-in, plug-out capability in your business. Whether it's a machine on a production line, a component of a computer system, or a process cycle in your business, it should all adhere to object-oriented principles so that you can effect change faster, more contained, more controlled, more accurate, with less risk, and for cheaper. Object orientation is not only important in the business or solution space, but it's also required for all methodologies, especially business engineering ones. All business engineering methodologies should consist of componentry that has plug-in, plug-out capability. This capability enables a highly configurable and flexible methodology, applicable for a variety of projects in any field. In conclusion, object orientation is a necessity for the creation and implementation of effective methodologies, as well as the analysis and implementation of business solutions. An object-oriented approach also allows for pre-developed solutions to be harnessed in a plug-in, plug-out fashion for numerous projects. I hope this gives you a better idea of what object orientation is. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. You could also visit our website to find out more about Discon specialists and our business engineering solutions. Thanks for watching.